Dubai duty free. Dubai Terminal 3 all Rasida Kahan Dhirasa all Grana Cargo Place. DXP Dubai International, DXP Terminal 1,
What's that?
Dubai Terminal 1.
Terminal 1 is here.
Airport?
Yeah, this is Terminal 1. So where are you going?
Yeah, airport, sir.
Here. You go. Straight, yeah.
Thanks, sir.
That one, that tube.
Good, sir.
Don't go there because that is train. You go inside that.
Yes, sir.
Not here, this is office. The other, that one.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Right.
Yeah, straight. Just go straight. You can see the people there. Are you on departure? You're going or you came?
Going, sir.
Going there in this the same level.
Okay, sir.
Departure area. Down is arrival.